this is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at exercise 1.1, question number 19. We've got two cars that start at the same time at the same point and travels in opposite directions. So we've got two cars, one's going this way, one's going that way, but starting at the same point. And we know one car's traveling 10 kilometers per hour faster than the other. In 3 hours, they are 288 kilometers apart. Find the speed of each car. So one car will call their speed X, and one car, the other car is traveling 10 kilometers per hour faster, so X plus 10. Now, I know that distance equals speed times time. So in 3 hours time, I know that the distance of this car would be 3x. I know in 3 hours time that distance of this car will be 3x plus 10. Now, we're adding the distances they travel because one's going that way, one's going that way. The distance apart will be the sum of the distances that they travel. So if I sum the distances in 3 hours, we know that equals 288. Okay, I'm going to work out this equation to work out what x is, okay, or work out what the speed of each car is. I'm going to expand the first bracket. So we've got 3x plus 30 plus 3x equals 288. We can add the x's together, so we've got 6x plus 30 equals 288. 6x equals 258. I'm going to divide 258 divided by 6. Okay. Oops. I'm going to divide both sides by 6. So x equals 258 divided by 6. Now, for bigger numbers, I'm not expecting you to need to use your head. You can use a calculator. So I'm going to click that. You can go 258 divided by 6, 43. So x equals 43. X equals 43. So x represents the speed of one car. So one car is traveling at 43 kilometers per hour. The other car is traveling 10 kilometers an hour more, so it's at 53 kilometers per hour. So that's how you approach the problem. These word problems aren't actually super hard. The only hard part is setting up the equation, because once you set up the equation, you can solve it and relate it back to what the question's asking. But the equation setting part is always the hard part. So hopefully this gives you an insight of how to tackle problems like these.